There are a lot of fantastic sea creatures in the ocean. One of them is the manta ray. They can be found in tropical waters throughout the world, especially in areas close to coral reefs. They eat plankton, and the average lifespan for a manta ray is 20 years. They are only about 2 feet in length. The manta ray is the largest ray and one of the largest living fish. They can also swim very fast and even leap clear out of the water. They are rarely seen and can swim up to 15 miles an hour. I think they are pretty amazing. Another interesting sea creature is a blue-striped snapper. They are fish. Blue-striped snappers are carnivorous fish. When they swim together, they all face the same direction. They move their bodies in the same direction. A barracuda only sees a striped mass. It doesn't know where to strike. Blue-striped snappers live in oceans like the Indo-Pacific, the Red Sea, and East Africa. They will swim as deep as 869 feet. Blue-striped snappers also grow quite large, up to 12 to 16 inches in length. They mostly eat fish. To me, blue-striped snappers are very interesting. The angelfish is a very neat creature. They are bright yellow and blue. Many coral and plants in the ocean are that same color, so they blend right in. That way it is harder for predators to find them. The patterns help it to hide in plain sight. Stripes and spots seem to break up the shape of the creature's body. They usually live from 10 to 15 years. The average height of them is 6 inches. The natural angelfish habitat is the Amazon River. They are found in numerous varieties, colors, shapes, and sizes. They eat algae. Angelfish are cool. Another interesting sea creature is a fire urchin. Fire urchins like warm water, and if they are put in cold water, they can die. They also climb around coral in the ocean. They eat algae, small fish, mussels, sponges, brittle scars, and crinoids. A fire urchin has blue globes on the end of its spines. They are all very long. Each one is packed with poison. The blue color warns animals to back off. It's as though the blue color is sending the message, "Don't come near, I'm poisonous." A fire urchin is probably one of the most colorful animals you will ever see, but don't touch it. All these animals have their similarities and differences. They all live in the ocean, but all of them have different habitats. Also, they eat different things. Whether a manta ray, a blue-striped snapper, angelfish, or a fire urchin, they are all amazing creatures. Wow.